welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a vlog style vanity tour / updated makeup collection video. I promised you guys I'd show you what I had remaining after I got rid of a majority of what I had in my collection. So I'm gonna go through my vanity over here and show you what I have and where I have it. And then I'm gonna go over here and show you guys what I have over in this section. So let's get started. So my goal was to keep it as minimal as possible on the top, which, you know, it's all right. It could probably be better, but it is what it is right now. So this section, we'll start left to right. So this section over here is kind of stuff that I got in my Sephora haul. So I have like lip products and perfume on top. I have this new YSL color. I hope that you guys can see pretty well with this light on. I didn't know if I should do natural light or my studio lights, but I decided to do the studio ones. I thought it worked pretty well. So I've got my eyeshadows in one drawer. I have nothing in this one. Some of this stuff is just empty. I like it very dainty and empty so I can really see what's in here and it's not cluttered by, you know, a ton of stuff. And as I say, this is probably, you know, these are a little bit more full. My Jouer bronzer, I have the Patrick Ta blush. These are pretty much things that I showed you guys in my Sephora haul. So all the new like Fenty cream products, Tom Ford, Giorgio Armani. And then down here I have my skin products like foundation and whatnot. So we have the Giorgio Armani Neo foundation, and then I have the Giorgio Armani concealer, Ilia skin tint, which this is great. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna have all the links to everything that I talk about down below, or I might just do a Sephora link so you guys can go search for yourselves because that takes a lot of time to do each link. But this is really great because it has SPF in it, SPF 40. It's really awesome. And then my favorite concealer of all time, Too Faced Born This Way. And then I have my new facial razor right here on my vanity. This one's really awesome. It's by Flawless Razor. So check this out at Target. Shout out to Rachel for telling me about this. Thank you. I think it's about $20. And then I have this Jouer skin powder sort of thing out here because it is broken and I don't like it mixed with everything else because it, as you can see, some of that powder comes out and I don't want it getting a whole drawer dirty. So I'm gonna use that up so I don't contaminate all the other stuff. I have this sitting out because I've had this for a long time now and I really need to use it. It's about to expire. Let me know if you've tried this, these Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta peels, because I've heard amazing things. And then I just have some lashes that I have used out. These are the ones that I've been wearing lately. I love them, by Morphe. I have some perfume samples out here, Q-tips. And then on the side right here, I have new setting sprays. The Fenty one, I have the Innisfree Cherry one, Honest, and this Tatcha, super expensive, the Essence, which I need to use that. Then I have my brushes. So I decided to kind of divide them up a little bit to make it a little bit easier to gravitate towards them. So I have my contour, my highlight. I have all my eye brushes right here, like my M40, what are these called? M43? M433, like the Morphe crease brush. I have like a bigger blending brush, some smaller, more detailed brushes, and then I have some for like packing on pigment. And then I have lip products right here, just a few. These aren't all my lip products. I have another drawer for that. But this is kind of like more that I like to display. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't know if I wanted to keep my lip scents. I almost got rid of them because I don't really use them. They're not my like favorite formula. They're great if you like bright colors and you don't like them to go anywhere, if you like them to stay put all day. I'm more of like a lip gloss gal, so I don't know how much longer I'll hold on to those. But I have my YSL, my Charlotte Tilbury. I have like the KKW. That one's really nice. It's a pretty color. My sister didn't want that. And then I have brushes that I use that need to be washed eventually. And then I have just some other like face brushes over here to the side. I have my handy dandy Simple Human mirror. I love it. It's rechargeable. It is like automatic light right there. And it's really amazing. It magnifies. It's great. And then this is a little piece that I got in Atlanta in some sort of a boutique. And I thought it was really cute. My friend Elise told me that I needed to get this and I totally agreed. I said that will look great on my vanity. And then over to the side I have some PR stuff from Pop Beauty. It's really, really cute. I haven't really dug into it yet because I haven't really been doing my makeup a ton, but I showed it a little bit on Instagram and I just kind of keep that aside so I can really remember to get into those sort of products. So let's go into the first drawer. So this is going to be my lip products, my lip drawer. I have them separated out a little bit just to be organized. I have like my lip pot sort of things, like the Laneige sleeping mask. I have my Emilytbeauty pots. These are really, really cute. My lip balms. These are kind of like my drugstore products. I don't know why that's right there. I mean, it's okay if they get mixed in, it's fine. But these are sort of like my, you know, more affordable lip products, my smaller mini lip glosses, lip balm. These are just minis. I don't really have like a rhyme or reason to a lot of this, but it's just kind of dispersed. And then I have lip liners and some more lip products right here. I'm not gonna go into absolutely everything, but there you go. Next drawer is going to be, so I have everything organized so that whenever I'm sitting at my makeup vanity, I can just look either way and it's facing me. I don't think I used to have it like this. So this makes it a lot easier. So when I just look over, it's all looking right at me. So that's great. I have, in this drawer, I have primers and tinted moisturizers. So this is just kind of all the stuff that I normally would use. I have the NARS tinted moisturizer, the La Mercier, Thrive Cosmetics, the Smashbox Primer Oil, Fenty Primers, Lancome Primer, CoverGirl Primer, Lancome, this is amazing. I've been using this like nonstop, it's really good. Pixie Hydrating Stick on the Glow, Tatcha, I have this little like redness reducer sort of thing, under eye brightener, Tarte primer. This used to be like my jam. If you guys have been following me for a while, I love this smoothing primer. I don't use it a ton because it's very thick and it's kind of for those occasions that you're gonna be out for long periods of time and you want your makeup literally to be like glued on. That's when you use that. So, and I love this vitamin C spray by Fresh. That's really, really good. Or it's vitamin nectar glow water. I kind of like to make up my own names for products if you haven't noticed yet. So, next thing that we have right here is going to be bronzers, blushes, powders, cream products, and cream products. So I kind of mixed in some cream products over here too, and then I have highlighters over here. To get another look at it, I have my Tom Ford bronzer, my Marc Jacobs bronzer, Charlotte Tilbury, Morphe, this one's a little too dark for me, Givenchy, Hourglass, Fenty Beauty, some Guerlain, and then the Kevyn Aucoin contour. And then I have some Charlotte Tilbury blushes, the Jouer blush. You guys love this one. I love it too. Hourglass blush. It's hard to say. Flower Beauty blush. It's a great drugstore blush. Goodness gracious, I can't talk. MAC, what is that called again? Warm Soul. I like the Sephora blushes. That's a really nice pink one. And then we have the Benefit California. I always say that wrong. So it's a Benefit California. I have the Milk cream products, the Sephora Airbrush blush. This one's amazing. I think they stopped making it, but it's great. Huda Beauty contour, cream contour, more Milk makeup. Then I have my powders. So Hourglass is my favorite powder of all time that I've used so far. As far as setting my makeup, like baking my makeup on. I have the Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Brightening Powder, Marc Jacobs Coconut Powder. I don't know all the names, you guys. I'm trying my best. Charlotte Tilbury, this is my favorite pressed powder. Laura Mercier is a classic. I love this Hourglass powder as well. We got more Laura Mercier. We've got the Nude Sticks cream products. Those are really nice as well. And then that's just their case. And then I have the Becca Cosmetics cream highlighter. I have the Jacqueline highlighters. This is kind of like an all over face powder, and then that's more of like a concentrated one. And then I have the Pat McGrath cream highlighters. Next drawer is going to be setting sprays and more highlighters. So I have the Morphe setting spray, and then the Anastasia Dewy Set. I'm gonna say I'm not like super, you know, impressed with this. It's just kind of like whatever, but maybe I haven't used it to its full extent, you know? And then I have the Farsali 24 karat gold infused setting spray. It's really cool. MAC Fix Plus. I've got the gold one, the pink one, Wet n Wild. And then I have Pixie Glow Mist. That's my favorite. That's one of my favorites. And then I have the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. It's amazing. This is my all-time favorite, but it's so expensive, so I try to just save it for special occasions. And then I have more highlighters. So let's see, and I have 2 face palettes. I got rid of, you guys saw how much I got rid of last video, it's insane. So I did keep these MAC blushes. They're probably past their date. They probably need to be tossed, but I decided to keep them for a little bit because they're still in good condition to me. And then I have this Natasha Denona Diamond Blush situation. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's not my absolute favorite thing in the world, but it's really pretty and it's hard to let go of. So as far as highlighter goes and what I kept, I have the Kevyn Aucoin highlighter. I have the Laura Mercier Indiscretion, Amrezy. I have, goodness, I can't see that. I'm not gonna take everything out because it's hard to put back. It's in a very specific spot. I have the Benefit Cookie highlighter, the MAC Show Gold. This is one of my favorites of all time. And then I have Ofra. I got this one from Ulta. I don't think that they sell it anymore. I have Fenty highlighters and then the Milk highlighter. I'll say this one's a little too dark for me, but it's really pretty regardless. It's good for whenever I'm really tan. But the Fenty highlighter is my favorite of all time, if you're wondering. And then down here I have my foundations. I put them at the bottom because I just don't use foundation as much as I do tinted moisturizer right now. So I put them down here. And then I have, for foundation, the Milk foundation stick, the Lancome. This is my favorite foundation, probably of all time to this day. So it's really good. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, the Huda Beauty, Fenty, the dewy one. And then I have concealers as well. I forgot to mention that. So let me go through more foundations. I have this L'Oreal Infallible, the L'Oreal Pro Glow, CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. That one's a really great foundation. And then I have concealers. So I have the Tarte, wait, this isn't Tarte, this is Benefit. Boing, I wish the lights were better down there. I have the Boing Benefit Concealer. It's okay. It's not my absolute favorite. It's a little cakey on me, but it still works. And then the Too Faced Born This Way. The, what is this, Laura Mercier? I have the Laura Mercier Ilia True Serum Skin, whatever. Hourglass, it's their latest concealer, I believe. And then we have a couple of these Bare Minerals ones, which those are very, very light coverage. Okay, so that is it on that side. Let's go over to this side over here. May take a seat. Your girl's running out of breath. So the first one I have, this is like my junk drawer. My mom said, we all need a junk drawer. And she's, you know, we're some of the least junky people, but she kind of needs something that's for everything, if you know what I mean. So I have my beauty sponges and blenders and things like that right here. I have some wipes because, as you guys know, when I'm swatching, doing video, I need something to clean off my hands or clean off my surface. I have my Bluetooth speaker, so when I'm doing my makeup, I can jam out. I have my iPhone little stand, a hand lotion. I have my little beauty sponge that I'm currently using. I don't usually clean it right after I'm done using it. I'll clean it before I use it the next time, if that makes sense, so that it's wet and ready to go. I have my little, this is for my camera. It's just like a button so I can take thumbnails. Hand sanitizer. I have my dry brush spray, so this will clean the colors off. So that's my little junk drawer. I like that. And then I have my lash drawer. So these are all my lashes. They're all really nice. I love them. They go back there as well. So I have some new ones that I got from the Morphe store in Nashville, Huda Beauty, MAC. These are my favorite lashes of all time. They are so wearable. They're so easy to put on, and I highly recommend them. I will try to link them down below if I remember. They're amazing. My friend Lauren, huge shout out to her because she got me into these. And at first I thought they were kind of weird because you can see a little bit of brown in there mixed in with the black, and it just looks kind of strange, but honestly you can't see it when they're on, and it's so pretty. They're so pretty. I have some individuals. I have some from Sephora, but these are, the MACs are definitely my favorite if I had to pick one. And then the next drawer is going to be palettes and eye stuff all combined in one drawer. So first I have my palettes, and I have the Tati Beauty just on its own because this is pretty much all I use for eyeshadow. You know, from now, like this is what you need. If you want a good palette, you get this. I'm telling you, it's amazing. She did a great job with this palette and I can't wait to see more from her eventually. And then I have my little Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. I collect these because they're amazing. My Natasha Denona minis, these are great. Jaclyn Hill's palette. I have the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2, that one's amazing. It's great for travel. And then I have the Huda Beauty, those Desert Dusk, whoa, I cannot talk. Pixie Beauty, and then I have some from Alter Ego. They have really, really good quality palettes for a very inexpensive price. So, and then I have my individual eye products, my Tom Ford, Kaja Beauty, my primer, Touch and Soul glitters, my Midnight Cowboy glitter. This is the best glitter of all time in my opinion, or at least the one that I've used. Urban Decay, this is lithium. If you haven't seen in my last video, this is the eyeshadow. It is so pretty. I know it's not focusing that well. This camera doesn't like to focus. And then I just have other stuff like brow stuff as well, and you know, my current mascara that I'm using, brow pens, brow pencils, and then I have like tools like, you know, mascara curler, or eyelash curler, mascara, shoot, I can't talk, eyelash curler, eyelash application, tweezers, things like that in the back. Next drawer is going to be just all new stuff that I haven't, like replenishments and things like that that I don't need to currently put out. But yeah, just a random plethora of stuff. A random mix of all things, some Pixie stuff, some MAC stuff, just random like lip products. Like I have Over the Top gloss because I stocked up on that. It's amazing, it's my favorite gloss. And then at the very bottom, I just have like my brush holder. If I wanted to put my brushes out on my vanity and have them all sticking out, then I have this. I don't really feel the need to use that right now. It just kind of takes up a good amount of space and I don't need it. And then this is the Jaclyn Hill like brush holder. It's great for travel. So this is my vanity, you guys. I just showed you everything, so there you go, it's all there. Since I did say I'll go over here, I will show you guys what's over here. I'm not gonna dig into the perfumes because that would be, you know, for a whole nother video. But I'll just show you guys kind of briefly what's in this, since it is kind of beauty. So first drawer is gonna be all like spa stuff. So let's say I want to have a little night at home, a little spa, take care of myself sort of a night. Then I can go in here and pick a mask. I have all different sort of masks, hand mask, foot mask, face mask, whatever. I have more of my face mask in my bathroom, I will say. That's more of my skincare, but this is my like spa section. And then I don't have anything. Actually, most of this is pretty empty, to be honest. I have all of my sunglasses out here. I'm kind of running out of room in here, but I should probably clean it out as well. More empty stuff. You guys, I got rid of so much. I really did. Wow, 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 wow. I have a replenishment of my Shiseido facial cottons because these are the best facial cottons that you'll put on. I don't buy anything else anymore. Put on your face is what I meant to say. Tinkle razors, I really like these. These are great. It's a good shave, a good close shave for the face. Do not use this on your eyebrows though. Do not do that because I've shaved off half an eyebrow before. Don't be like me. I do like the Flawless razor a lot more. Well, I'd say I like them both. Flawless razor is a lot easier to use, but I think the Tinkle gets a closer shave because it gets that dead skin off too, and I don't think that Flawless one gets as close of a shave. But that's just my personal experience with it, so. Then these are all my bags, like for travel and things like that. Some more storage since I got rid of so much. I didn't, you know, have anything to put in there. So they're going in here. You know, I might eventually donate some of that stuff if I don't use it. And then I have just replenishment. Thank you to Sigma. I have like a brush cleaner mat, some more brushes, just some more brushes from them that are in their packaging. So this is all kind of brush stuff down there. So that is all, you guys. That is my updated vanity tour, my makeup collection. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I love you so much. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. 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 How do I wave like this? Bye.